Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a coming soon page or screen for your WordPress blocksy website. Alright, so let's say you're going to be editing your web shop or your site in general in preparation for something, and you don't want your customers, clients, readers, viewers to be able to see you fixing the site, because they might click on stuff that might break the site one way or the other. So let's go ahead and head over to our dashboard. We can either click on here, right, dashboard, or just type in our domain and our after domain / wp-admin, and then hit enter, and then we'll be in our dashboard. Let's hover over blocksy here on our left hand side and click on content blocks. And let's go ahead and click on add new, and a new content block, and click on custom template, click on template type, and scroll down and click on maintenance template. Let's call this one coming soon. Let's click on create content block and wait for it to load up, because we've had some trouble with it in the past where we clicked more than once and it didn't work because it made too many copies. So just let it load, and it should take us to the block editor. Alright, so site under construction. If we wanted to, right, if we clicked on this and we see on the right hand side we have our we can see that we don't really have much option to customize this. So because we are in the block editor, we can add anything we want. So we have our stackable library here, we have our green shift stuff over here. I'll drop in a green shift heading here. Let's say more products coming your way, right? And then this one we can just go ahead and delete. And then likewise for this one, we can just delete that. Let's add another one. And right. And then we'll call this one, thanks for being patient. And then now we can go ahead and configure this. This one, I'll just keep this over here. This one, heading 2, keep it big. You can change if it's italics or bold. But over here on the right-hand side, you can see we can change our text color, our hover color. We can make it, let's say, black, right? And then we can change the font size, font weight, shadow. We can change it to a different font. We can add a background to it. And let's say we'll just make it white, right? Okay, it's visible on both ends. And we can change the size, the content, highlights, and so on. For this one, let's center it as well. Let's make this heading 4 a little smaller. And the same thing, we can change the colors. But why I like using the green shift blocks is because we have this advanced tab over here, and we can change, we can add animations to our stuff. Right? And if you click on this one, since it's just a standard one, we don't really have much options. You'd have to install or pay for Pro for other things like Unstackable to add animations to them. So we're good with that. Let's click on our blocksy options over here, and we can edit our conditions. It's going to appear on our entire website. It's going to appear for both users logged in and users logged out. We'll save these conditions. Save here, and you can exclude also. You can choose to exclude users that are logged in. So we can have our customers that are logged in to see what's happening to the website, like an exclusive sneak peek, right? But we've included them, so it should appear in the whole website. We've saved it. Let's go ahead and we can check this out on this is a different browser. Let's hit refresh, and you can see that our home page is now replaced with a coming soon page. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.